I wonder what's taking Cartoon Cat so long to come into the house. I'm here. Oh, he's here. Let's turn around. All right, guys, I'm here. The Terminator problem is going.
Hello.
How are you doing, Cartoon Mouse?
You don't know where is that Terminator guy?
He ran away. We don't know where he is, but Shattered is making sure that he makes a good tracking device on Susinjian so he can track him down and then, kill him or something. Yeah.
Nothing. No.
What? Oh, okay.
I think. Oh.
Oh my God, Fog Giant! Why did you need to come into the room, dude?
I want to kill that Terminator guy.
He's literally gone, and we don't even know where he is. Yeah.
Let's go and find him, bro.
Wait, who's the Terminator? He's just a weird robot dude that Shatter adopted for his projects or something.
Yeah.
And he was just found in his factory. Me and Cartoon Mouse found him, and then
June, some crazy things happened.
Yes, an explosion, electrical lasers, or something like that.
And I get nicked out,
Yeah.
I can't even walk, bro.
You can walk. You can regenerate, dude.
But
Your legs are regenerated. Don't lie to me. You're immortal. Come on.
I want to go and beat that beast or something. I don't know.
He's not a beast. He's a robot. You're dumb.
Robot. I'm not dumb. You want to?
I am not dumb either.
Sorry,
Stop sitting on me.
Sorry. You can be my head. Just come on.
I wonder what Shattered's doing right now.
Yeah, I want to see Shattered, bro. What question does he make?
I don't know, but I think we should keep on. I will tell you the whole story about the Terminator, so I guess we can wait here before he comes and tells us what's going on.
I'm just resting. Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you the story about the Terminator, okay? Let's go. Oh, thank you, Garbager. You found this computer for me. This is one of my oldest computers. It's the Microsoft 99 or something. Why are you looking at it? I'm just looking at it because it looks so cool. And you should know that too better, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Anyways, just go back with the cartoon long horse and do something. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Time to get some searching done. I gotta do some searching. Tracker is unknown. Terminator cannot be found on this tracker. This computer sucks. I can't get a tracking on this stupid thing. Longhorse, do you know what to do? I don't know what to do, but still, I think it can't work like this, so I gotta try to. Access denied. Access denied. I guess it doesn't work. You could try. I'm trying. It doesn't work. I'm just gonna go back to rest. Let go of me, okay. Wait a minute. There's one person that I know I can track. Gotta do this again. Do this again. Come on. Alright. This should work. Please work. A tracker has been found. Susinjian's location has been found. He's located about 200 kilometers away from you. Finally, I found a tracking on Susinjian. Wait, who is Susinjian? Oh, he's that one robot, if you remember, from the upside down guy face thing. He tried to murder us before, if you remember. Oh yeah, I think I remember clearly. Yeah, I'm saying too, living building. I'm just sitting in here. Wait, why are you sitting in there? It's just my favorite spot. It's just my, thing. Oh, anyways, I'm back. I'm just gonna sit on you now. Hey, get off me. I'm not your personal nappy. Get off me. Oh, okay. So I found the location of his, so it made sense. So I think I gotta go tell this to Cartoon Cat and his other friends. So I gotta go now. Did he just kill himself? No, he can't die immediately. Alright, gotta make it there quick. Gotta make it to Cartoon Cat's house. Oh my! What are you doing here, Fog Giant?
Hello. I'm just finding the Terminator guy to eliminate.
I found his location, and I'm pretty sure I know where he's at right now.
But
so let's go. We need to tell the others.
He took Sinjon too, right?
Yeah, I know. He's the
He
good
can
robot.
help us.
Yeah, I used his data to track the Terminator down. So I see we need to go see the other people.
Come on my top and let's jump.
Okay, I'm getting on your top. Okay, I'm on your top right now. Okay. I'm scared of my top. Oh goodness, Jesus, that was. There we go. I gotta go. Let go. Okay. Can you take me up to the shopping mall now?
Just come on my hand.
Okay. Finally made it. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, hello, Shatton.
Yeah, I'm here now. Hello.
What's that? Terminator guy.
I found his location. Why do you keep calling him the Terminator guy? He's just called the Terminator.
I don't know who. It's a guy or female. I don't know.
It's not female. It's a guy. Anyways, I gotta go talk to Cartoon Cat now.
Okay, wait for me.
Shatter, did you find the location for the Terminator? Yeah, I did.
Oh.
I know where he is, but do you want to know the bad news or the good news?
Good news.
The good news is I found that Sinjian has a tracker inside of him that I implanted, and we can use the tracker and find him.
Good?
Yeah, Sinjian is a good robot.
Oh.
So what's the bad news? The bad news is that he is going to a giant robotic facility where there are plenty of robots there that he could make it to an army and take over the world. Oh, that's not gonna be easy for him.
Listen.
What?
Cutting it, listen.
What?
You know the Siranjian guy.
Yes, Sinjian guy. Yeah, I know.
You
him.
know.
Yeah, I know.
He's your friend.
Yeah, we know that he's our friend, but he can be taken over evil, by the robotic guy.
Let's go and save him, bro, before he gets evil too.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna need to make an experimental portal machine so I can send you guys there. It's really far away. Like, he's just really far away.
How far?
Like,
203 feet.
yeah.
I can 300 feet. I can jump.
Yeah, no, he's like super far away, like 1,400 kilometers.
What?
Yeah, he's that far away. He ran away with my ship that I took from the apartment.
Wow. Oh,
I wonder where he is right now. What is that annoying noise?
Me too.
Wait, you can talk?
In the form of a good person. Or else in
What
my
is that
bad
noise? You're ugly. Can you show me your face? Can you do a face reveal?
No.
You better do the face reveal.
Why?
What with your eyes? You look so ugly.
I don't know. I'm just scared to meet me right.
Bridgeworm, why do you have such an ugly
What
face?
is that?
And what is that noise that's keep
What
coming?
is that in the sky?
Wait, what the heck is that?
I
What the
don't
heck?
know.
What is that? I think you're shaking back.
That's aliens or not?
That's not aliens.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Shattered spaceship is there?
I don't think that's Shadowed Space. I think it's from the apartment.
I don't know.
Oh my god, what the heck is that?
I don't even know what is that.
Well. You can't attack me. You can't fly.
Ah!
You have no...
No,
Get off here.
no.
Get off. No, I got you. Oh, no. I got you. Come on. Okay. Come on. Oh god. These guys look dangerous.
I don't know. They are dangerous.
But too bad. We're not gonna hurt
Don't
you.
hurt them, bro. Don't hurt.
I won't hurt them. We need to go somewhere else. So come. Grab the dog.
Calm down. Just don't hurt anybody, okay? I am good robot.
Yes, let's go. So let's turn around and let's go.
Ah! What is
They
that?
ran away.
What is
They ran away.
I don't know what is that, bro. What is that spaceship?
It was just some weird robot. And it's still...
Listen.
What is that sound?
Wait. I have to tell you something.
What?
I think that's on the Shattered factory because he owns the robots.
Yes, and I'm pretty sure my boss, Megahorn, actually knows these things, so I don't know.
Can you bring the... Can I talk to your Megahorn?
He lives
I
in
want
the
to
case.
talk to your manager.
Okay, fine, you can talk to him later. I don't know what the heck is going on. I think you should go tell this to the boss. Let go.
Yeah.
We have landed.
Saying, where are we, bro?
We made it to the government facility. I am saying the Terminator. It's right. Our other friends are living in there. Yes.
Just shut up. Listen, Terminator guy, I think
I'm saying
this
this smiley
robot-
face. Yeah, stop hitting me.
I think his battery is down.
Yes. Can you shut up, you stupid Vanilla? What are you trying to say?
I think he's trying to say shut up. Ow. Just bring
Anyways.
him. His
Guys,
battery is not that
we
strong.
must go to this factory now.
Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Come on, what are you doing? Get up, you idiots. Oh my god. Do I have
Let's
to take
go.
all of you? Come on, let's go. Come on.
I'm coming.
Come on, go. You stupid idiots.